Introducing the tailgate lift system for the D-Max from 12 to 2020. This is a system that makes it effortless to close the tailgate. In fact, you can do it with one finger closing, and it's got the soft dampening opening as well. Matt's just going to demonstrate it for us. So just open as normal, drops, takes perhaps 6 seconds to drop, and then just one finger closing on this one, so effortless closing. Only weighs about 1 kilo, something like that closing. So very straightforward. Matt, if you could just open it again, please. I'll just show the torsion bar system and the damper as well that's deployed, that makes the soft opening. So the damper, first of all, which makes it soft opening. It's a stabless damper, as used in the automotive industry widely. Stabless are the largest damper supplier. And then we've got this torsion bar system here, this black steel bar, which is under tension. That's the bar that helps it back up and reduces the weight, and so it's under 2 kilos closing. These tailgates are typically about 20 kilos, so what a difference it makes. For further details, click the link below. And this model is specific for D-Max, but we do other applications as well.